What's up YouTube, it's Kat here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out CLISSORA Cosmetics Get Winged Liner version 2.0. I know you've guys seen this all over social media, especially on TikTok in your FYP page. So before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also come and follow me on all social media handles so you can see some content that I will be posting here on YouTube. So let's begin. So this is the PR package that I got from CLISSORA and I'm very excited to try this out. And as you can tell, di ko pa talaga siya nabubuksan. I think I received this more than a month na. I can't remember, so I'm very sorry kung hindi ko na siya matatry. But yeah, so it comes with a ziplock and it reminds me of the Glossy Bossy nung natanggap ko. Ganito rin yung packaging niya. So I'm just going to remove this one. Oops, mali. So ayan siya, and going to unbox this. So we have here, okay, so we have 5 boxes. The first one here, we have a card from CLISSORA. Ayan siya. At the back, it says, "Thank you for your unending support. Enjoy Biscuit. Love, Miss Nix." So for those who aren't familiar, Miss Nix is famous on TikTok actually. She is the CEO of CLISSORA Cosmetics. So ayan, super cute kasi handwriting talaga and very memorable pag mga handwriting. Tanda niya. Char! Yung ganon. Let's start with their famous Get Winged Liner set. So ayan, I have 2. So I got the size in 10mm black and 8mm black. So I noticed pala na wala ng brown. I'm not sure if it's on production or baka may pasabog sila, but we'll never know. So black lang ang meron sila. So each set comes with 2 pens. So one with 2-sided eyeliner stamp for your left and right eyelids. So the wing stamps comes in 4 different sizes. They have 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. While the other pen includes an eyeliner and an eraser, which is their new feature sa Get Winged Liner version 2.0 nila. The net weight nito is 7ml, which means 3.5 each dun sa stamp and then dun sa eyeliner and eraser. And this cost, guys, 499 pesos each. Like, compared to the old version, it's 695 pesos, which I have right here, by the way. So here on my left side is the old version of their Get Winged Liner. So it comes with black and brown shades. So ayan, nakakita nyo naman kapag black yung packaging, pag brown yung packaging, diba? The old version comes with 2 dual-ended pen. Both have wing stamp and felt tip pen. So I zoom in you guys, really zoomed in kasi para makita nyo on how it performs sa aking eyelids. So I've already prepped my eyelids using an eye primer and set it with loose powder, or you can use pressed powder, whichever you prefer. But guys, heads up lang, make sure po to always prep your eyelids before applying any eyeliner po, kasi if it's not, it would not look sharp, smooth, and it will look more tacky. On this demo, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite wing stamp. This is in 10mm. Yung favorite ko talaga is 12mm kasi gusto ko talaga yung pack na liner. So I'm going to start with my right eye. Ito kasi yung medyo challenging lagi sa akin kasi iba yung balat niya dito, then my left eye. Ito kasi smooth and flat, while this one is chubby. So, kahit anong eyeliner ko siya, ma-perfect ko, wala talaga. So, let's start with the right stamp first. Okay, so this is what the right stamp looks like on my eyelids right now. So, as you can tell, hindi naman talaga siya pointy end kahit nung old version nila. So, dito na papasok si felt tip liner. Look how pigmented that is. As you can tell, there are parts na nalagpas ako and hindi siya ganun ka-sharp. So, I'm gonna be using the eraser tip now. So now I'm going to clean it up using the eraser tip. we're gonna be testing out if it's really waterproof and smudge proof. So first, let's start with smudge proof. So natuyo na siya, as you can tell, very matte yung finish niya, which I like. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ring finger ko kasi para makita niya na malinis siya, okay? So no cutsies, so let's begin. Ooh, it didn't smudge at all. Walang natanggal na product. Yan. Sumama na yung loose powder dito sa eyeliner. But all in all, it didn't move at all. So let's try again dito sa wing liner. See? It doesn't move at all. Oh my god. The pigment is still there. But not as the same as before kasi nga may loose powder. I think I put too much earlier, but as you can tell, didn't budge, didn't move, especially the wing liner, nandyan pa rin siya. So let's try the left stamp. So again, using my ring finger, as you can tell, it's very clean. So I'm going to smudge this part. Ooh, di siya gumagalaw. Gumalaw na yung concealer ko dito. Oh my god. See? It didn't move, especially the wing liner. Okay, gagamitin ko tong index finger. See, it didn't move. It didn't move a bit. Makikita niya yung pinaka-point. So I'm gonna showing you my fingers right now. So as you can tell, walang residue left ng eyeliner, so which is good. So now, waterproof test. I'm gonna be using my face mist. I'm going to sprint all over my eye area. So good luck. These are hard mist, by the way. So, as you can tell, hindi siya tumulo and whatsoever. Kasi, di ba may maibang waterproof na eyeliner daw. But, once na naluha ka lang, naiyak ka, is nagmumuo-muo na siya. But, this one, look at that. Same as before. Oh my god. Nice. So now it goes to show that this Get Wing version 2.0, it's waterproof and smudge proof. I like to try if this is a transfer proof / curler. The reason for me that I want to try this because I tried a lot of liners that claims to be matte finish, claims to be waterproof, etc. etc. Pag na-dry daw na siya, first sabihin natin 3 to 5 minutes ko siyang din-dry up bago ako mag-lash curl. Nagka-transfer pa din siya, which is kind of disappointing. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung aking lash curler. As you can tell, wala siyang dumi whatsoever. I will curl my lashes like I normally do. Oh my god. Hindi siya nag-transfer, guys. See? Oh, nandiyan pa din siya, guys. As you can tell. Diba? Again, wala siyang eyeliner residue. Just the mascara. Which is, di nyo masyadong kita, but nasa baba siya. Oh my god. So overall, wala akong masabing negative about their new Get Wing liners. The formula and ingredients is still the same as their old version, which is maganda talaga yung longevity niya and pigmentation niya. I love how it's waterproof, smudge proof, and transfer proof siya sa mga lash curler natin. And I also love the fact na in-upgrade na nila tong Get Wing liners nila. Kasi before, may mga naririnig ako, nababasang comments about how pricey it is for a local brand na eyeliner lang naman daw yun, stamp and eyeliner. And also, I feel like kaya medyo pricey siya kasi dalawang felt tip pen niya. Dual-ended siya, but dalawa yung felt tip pen niya for left and right eye. Dati nga inisip ko, I think it's a good idea kasi isang pen for left eye lang talaga siya and for right stamp is for right eye. Kaso may time, eto I'm guilty about this. Na-stamp ko na yung right eye ko and then left eye ko. Kung alin man yung mahawakan ko, like for example, pang left eye siya, nagagamit ko yung felt tip pen na yun on both eyes. While on their new version, isa lang yung felt tip niya for both left and right eyelids siya. I also love the fact that they added an eraser tip for us to reduce using Q-tips when mistakes are made. They sell it in singles as well. Whether naubusan ka ng wing stamp or liner and eraser, hindi mo na kailangan bilhin ulit yung set. You can buy them each for 249 pesos. If you guys are interested with CLISSORA Cosmetics, they are available at www.clissora.com. They also have stores in Lazada and Shopee. I will link it all in the description box below. And yeah, this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!